For our next pattern, we're going to be showing you the cha-cha basic with a double rock. So we're starting with our basic, 1, rock, step, and cha-cha-cha. From here we're going into a crossover, but we're going to double rock. Rock, step, rock, step. And you notice with this rock step that my weight is still fairly centered over both feet, so I'm not going too far over, too far back, and I have small steps. So it's just rock, step, we come back, cha, 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 and now we're going to double rock on this side. Rock, step, cha, 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 rock, step, and we're going to finish the pattern, ladies, underarm turn, step, turn, and cha, cha, cha. So the whole pattern is 1, rock, step, cha, 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 rock, step, cha, 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 rock, step, cha, 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 rock, step, and cha, 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 step, turn, cha, cha, cha. Now we do have an alternative ending for this, and it's a flick ending. The idea of a flick ending is we step into crossover. I'm stepping forward with the left, the lady steps forward with the right. We replace our weight onto our back foot, and we step side, and we point with our toe. So I'm using my big toe, the inside edge of my big toe to point. So we're stepping forward, back, point. Okay? And now with the hands, I'm putting up a little stop sign. The lady steps and puts her hand into mine. So we're going rock, step, step. Okay? So the way that this works with the flick is we do 2 double rocks, and then we're going to end it with a flick instead of the 3rd double rock. So we step 1, 2, 3, and cha, 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 double rock, and cha, 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 double rock, and cha, 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 2, 3, flick, and 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Let's do that again, please.